All right, guys, welcome back. What an amazing morning we've had in the Discord with all these runners, especially with SkyQ. Let's do a quick pre-market video so you have some direction going into the market open. Now, if you watched my last market update video, I'll leave the link to that video in the description below. None of what's happening right now should surprise you. USO pushing higher, oil names running, and today we got a clean 120% day trade move off of SkyQ. This was not random, this was all planned. Let's start with USO because that's the backbone of everything right now. I said very clearly that the 114 break was the entry, not for long term holds, but for 2 to 7 day aggressive plays on oil stocks. And now look where we are, $136 on USO. That's a full expansion move, exactly in line with what we talked about. But here's the part that most people don't understand. Oil doesn't move clean. It's all headline driven. You can get one diplomatic headline and the whole thing pulls back instantly. That's why I keep saying be selective, hit the move, take your profits, and don't get attached. Don't get married to the stocks you're trading. And if you did that this week, you already made a lot of money. Now let's talk about the big trade today. SKYQ, SkyQ. I alerted this around the 288 break for a clean move to 380 plus, and look at what we got here. Now, a lot of people hesitated. Why? Because of that press release this morning, and that is exactly where most traders mess up. They trade the news instead of the setup. Because if you actually look at the setup, it was clean. It was a low float, only about 2.95 million float, a post a reverse split stock, and most importantly, it's an oil name. With USO sitting at highs, that's a stacked setup. That's exactly why I took it. And the result, $288 all the way to $6.39. Over 120% move. That's not luck, that's just alignment on a stacked alert. Now, zooming out a little bit, let's look at IWM real quick. I said yesterday that 252 would reject, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We're already down around 249 right now, and this makes sense because when oil is strong like this, money rotates. Small caps don't get the same attention. That's why I said in the Discord this morning, keep your stops tight. Short week. Tomorrow's off. No reason to overtrade, guys. And honestly, that's the biggest lesson here. You don't need to sit at your screen all day. One or two clean setups, execute properly, and you're done. That's it. I'm already wrapping it up early today. Profits locked in while most people are still sitting there forcing trades and giving it all back. If you haven't watched my last market update video, I'll leave the link in the description. I literally mapped this move out before it happened. Study that or keep reacting late. It's really up to you at this point. All right, guys, I'll see you back in the Discord. I'll be in and out for the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.